Our flag is white and blue and red.
Very good.
Ooh, pretty raincoat. They're telling the teams to go where to go.
And what does the America flag look like?
It has white stripes and red stripes and stars. White stars and blues around stars in the corner. Stars.
That's right. Shay, what country is that? Team America. What do you think? We love it. What do you think of their outfits?
It's awesome!
And that's our flag, huh?